experience with the MCOR program has been fantastic. I truly can say that we would not have hit the goals we made for ourselves today without their support.
It's helped us accelerate the development, because if it wasn't for that program and some of the milestones and deadlines that we have to achieve for the program, we wouldn't be as far ahead in developing this next product, which is very important to our overall company, but we definitely wouldn't be as far as we are right now.
One of the big milestones for us in the MCOR program was choosing a manufacturing partner who has a lot of experience in getting their products certified and signing a manufacturing services agreement with them to kick off that process.
By the end of the year, we will have successfully built and produced 200 farm shelves in both Brooklyn and in Mexico with MCOR's help.